This video will show you how to remove and install your work tool on your next generation 906, 907, 908 compact wheel loader with the 8-button keypad equipped with the skid steer loader quick coupler. The quick coupler switch is located on the right hand console and is indicated by the red locking tab. To disengage the quick coupler, slide the locking tab to the right and press the switch to the left. The coupler disengage function will only be energized while the switch is held in the disengage position. Function will stop when the switch is released. When the quick coupler disengage has been commanded, the amber quick coupler indicator status icon on the display will illuminate. To engage the work tool, tilt the work tool coupler forward. Align the work tool coupler between the outer plates of the mounting bracket. Move the work tool coupler under the angle plate of the mounting bracket and rack back the work tool. To lock the quick coupler, locate the quick coupler switch. Press the switch to the right and hold until the pins are fully engaged. Next, test your connection to the work tool by performing a visual inspection to confirm that the coupler pins are fully extended and that the work tool is fully locked into place. In addition, apply further downward pressure on the work tool onto the ground. Ensure that the coupler pins do not disengage from the work tool. If your tires do not leave the ground, then please repeat the process again. For more information, contact your local CAT dealer.